أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لا أقسم بهذا البلد وأنت حل بهذا البلد ووالد وما ولد. لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد. أيحسب أن لن يقدر عليه أحد. يقول أهلكت مالا لبدا. أيحسب أن لم يره أحد. ألم نجعل له عينين ولسانا وشفتين وهديناه النجدين. فلا اقتحم العقبة وما أدراك ما العقبة. صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I seek refuge with Allah from the curses of evil. Allah, in the name of the most beneficent and merciful. I swear by this city, and O beloved, you are dwelling in this city, and by your father Ibrahim and his proudly that you are. Undoubtedly, we create man in toil. Does man think that none will overcome him? He says, I have wasted heaps of wealth. Does man think that none has seen him? Have we not made his two eyes and a tongue and two lips, and pointed to him the ways of the right things? But he has not broken through the difficult path. And what can do now what is breaking through the difficult path?